Hey YouTubers, Redneck Brian here again. Tire is up. I don't know what went wrong the first time with the sealant, but hopefully it will hold. Or else it'll be 20 bucks down the drain. Like I said, I have no idea what happened the first time, but it should be okay now. It's up. It's hard, really hard. So the chains are loose, as you can see. So the chains were not stopping it. I did actually when I did this other tire, I had the chains on here when I was doing it. So yeah, hopefully it will be okay now. Probably put a little bit more air in it. It's pretty hard. I'm gonna check the other one. Yeah, they're about the same. That one could go a little bit higher. So that's pretty much it. I know this is not really a redneck way of fixing a tire, but it works. It's reasonably cheap. So, because a local shop to get a tube put in the front tires is about 25 bucks for a tube, about 10 bucks labor. I've never had a back tire done, so I have no idea what it would cost to get one done, but this way is probably cheaper. So talk to you guys all later, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. So keep it redneck, and please subscribe and comment. I may put the two halves together. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Bye for now.